Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be showing you how to make a stress balloon. I know it doesn't look like nothing, but we're gonna make it. Okay? I'm Sebastian,
And I'm Renav.
let's get started. Okay? So first of all, you take a regular balloon. You know, like at any store you can find.
You need two.
Two. Okay?
What color is that?
I'll pick. Okay, so you just cut the balloon open down like this, like see here in the center. And Inev is going to fill it up with
beads. We got these at Dollar Tree.
We got this like any dollar store. Any dollar store.
Well,
Just cut it open down here at the middle, so you have a nice big open one. Yes. Okay. And so what we did, we put it.
Throw this away because we're gonna recycle it.
And so so you have about it. So we opened it and we would stick it in there, and the beads would come in. Just kind of like soak it in there. See, we're soaking it in. And so yeah, just keep doing that until you have a full bag. Okay? Welcome back. Okay. So get your pair of scissors and cut open another balloon the same as you did with the other one. Right enough?
We're not gonna make another one.
So no, we're not making another one. It's the same thing, same open. You know.
So you need not two people, but we recommend two people.
Like this?
We're doing this.
Well, you can use one people. Well, yeah,
One people.
Two people.
We want one people. Sorry. One
Okay.
people.
Ready?
Okay,
So you stretch
so-
out the balloon and get the one with the squishy in there.
Inside.
Make sure
Make sure the
top is in
that's
the bottom.
open. Yeah. I'm gonna close it.
It's open.
And then
Close it. And
we're gonna recycle this thing. Where's this? Oh.
So you.
And we're gonna open it.
So see what she did. She just cut it open.
So I have a nice baby.
Mm-hmm.
So then
I don't know how to do this.
I was like, it's like a vagina stuff. What?
No, it's not good. So you just stretch it out, fit it in there,
If you know how to tie hair.
and then just do a regular knot. Okay? Just do a regular knot.
What?
Okay, so just do like a regular knot. Now it's
Ta-da!
And then you got a squishy.
Oh, my little balls are coming out.
It's a really nice squishy.
Homemade squishy, actually.
Homemade squishy, yeah.
It
And
only
you can
costs like
decorate it with
$2.
whatever you want. Yeah, plus tax. Anyways, but yeah, it only costs like $2. Just fun. Very fun.
Okay,
And yeah, you can draw anything you want.
Can you help me with mine?
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Be
Be sure to subscribe.
sure to subscribe and see you guys next time. Bye.